Students, today our topic is distance formula. We have find the distance between of 2 point AB. Distance between 2 point AB. In Cartesian plane, point have two coordinate x and y. X is abscissa and y is ordinate. Through this diagram, point A and point B, coordinate of A is x1 y1, coordinate of B is x2 y2. From A, draw the perpendicular to x-axis, that is P, and from point B, draw the perpendicular to x-axis, that is Q. And distance from origin to P is x1 and distance from origin to Q is x2. And distance between P and Q is x2 minus x1. And AC parallel to PQ, or we can say APQC is a parallelogram. Opposite sides are equal. Therefore, AC is equal to x2 minus x1. Similarly, draw the perpendicular from A to y axis at point R and point B to y axis, that point is S. And distance between origin to R y1, distance from origin to S is y2, and this distance is equal to y2 minus y1. Same, BCRS is a parallelogram. RS parallel to BC, so therefore distance between BC is equal to y2 minus y1. And coordinate of C is from here x2 and from here is y1. Coordinate of C is x2, y1. Now, ABC is an right angle triangle, and distance between AC is x2 minus x1, and distance between BC is y2 minus y1. In right angle triangle, by Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to b square plus p square. H means hypotenuse, B base, P perpendicular. AB is the hypotenuse, base is AC, and perpendicular is BC. What is the value? x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square, and value of AB is x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square under root. It is your distance formula. By this formula, we can solve the exercise. 2 points are given. Find the distance between by using this formula. Suppose coordinate of A is 2, 3 and coordinate of B is 4, 5. Let coordinate of A x1, y1, coordinate of B x2, y2. Now find the distance between AB. Use the formula x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1. x2 is 4 minus 2, x1 2 and y2 5, y1 3. 5 minus 2 square. It is equal to 2 square plus 2 square. That is equal to 4 plus 4, 8 under root, or we can write 2 under root 2 unit.